In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to Trello card descriptions. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to format the link, and how to save your changes so your teammates can use them right away. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Trello's website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your boards. Once you're in, choose the board where you want to add a link. Click the board to open it and you'll see your lists and cards. Next, pick the specific card you want to update and click it to open the card details. This brings up the card's sidebar with fields like title, members, labels, checklist, and importantly, the description section. If your description is empty, you'll see a prompt inviting you to add one. If there's already text, that's fine. You can insert a link without losing any of it. Click inside the description area to start editing. You'll notice a small formatting toolbar appear above or below the text field. Look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain. If you already have text that you want to turn into a link, highlight that text first. This keeps your description clean and readable because the visible text can be something meaningful like project brief instead of a long URL. Click the link icon to open the link dialog. Paste the URL you want to use. Make sure it includes the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. So Trello recognizes it as a valid link. If the dialog provides a field for display text, you can type the words you want people to see, such as a document title or the name of a resource. If not, Trello will display the URL itself, which is also perfectly fine. Once the URL looks right, click Insert. You should see your text turn into a clickable link directly in the description. If anything looks off, you can immediately undo or edit it before saving. A quick tip: if the toolbar isn't visible, you can also use standard link shortcuts like Ctrl+K or Command+K while editing. Finally, click Save on the description. This step is important. Until you save, your link won't be committed to the card. After saving, hover over or click the link to test it and make sure it opens the correct page. You can come back and edit or remove the link anytime by clicking the description again. That's it. You've added a link to a Trello card description, keeping important resources one click away for your team.